In today's video, I'm gonna be unboxing Born Pretty products. And the first item I have over here is a cat magnetic gel polish. On the side of the bottle, you guys can see the name of the item. I'm gonna be leaving all the links in the description box below for you guys. And this one is beautiful. It has like an aurora kind of shade inside. It's just gorgeous. For this kind of polishes, you do need a magnet to create different designs if you never tried this type of magnetic gel polishes. The next item I have over here is a rubber top coat. This top coat is non-wipe, so it doesn't leave a sticky layer, and this is the first time for me trying this type of top coat. It is a little bit thicker than a regular top coat, but they're supposed to be more flexible. And now I see everywhere rubber-based gels, and now I see the rubber top coat. And the next item I have over here is a beautiful gel polish. This one is a nude, and nudes are always good to have on your hand because you can create so many things with it. Nudes are usually the base for most designs, to be honest. And the next item I have over here is another cat magnetic gel polish, as well as a reflective glitter. This one is so beautiful, I just love it so much, so cute. And I'm gonna be using all these items today, but I'm gonna use most of them. And last for today, I have a rubber-based gel. This one has a milky color. It's so cute. I'm gonna be using this one in today's video so you guys can see exactly how it's gonna look. I'm gonna be creating press-on nails, and I'm using Betty Cora full cover nail tips. These ones are made of gel. I'm gonna try to use these items, but then after I change my mind. Right now I'm just gonna go ahead and apply primer on the nail tips. You can buff the nail tips as well to remove the shine, but I prefer to use primer because in that way I'm not producing dust all over the place. And I'm gonna continue with the rubber-based gel. I'm going to apply 2 coats of this beautiful milky color and cure each layer for 30 seconds. Now I'm gonna be creating an ombre on the center of the nail. I've seen this design around, but I never tried it. So I'm gonna be using a makeup sponge, and I'm going to apply a small amount on the center of the nail tips. I'm gonna be creating like a center ombre. I've seen it before, it looks so cute, and I always wanted to try it, so now I'm doing this here. I'm gonna apply at least 2 layers. I don't wanna make it too dark with a pink color. I'm gonna be curing each layer 30 seconds, and it's gonna look really cute actually. Now I'm gonna go ahead with a layer of the liquid chrome powder. This is from Born Pretty as well, and I'm on the last bit of the bottle because I like it so much. I have used it so many times already, and actually I'm gonna end up applying 2 coats of this, and this actually air dries. Okay guys, now I'm gonna go ahead and apply one more coat of the milky rubber-based gel just to encapsulate the chrome, and as well I want to make the center ombre a little bit more subtle, more like a blush. I don't want it to show up too strong, and it's gonna look very nice. I'm gonna cure this layer for 30 seconds and I'll be right back. Now it's time for decorations. I'm using rubber-based gel as rhinestone glue. This one is from Born Pretty again, and this one is a clear one and it works very well. It holds the charms very well for me. So far so good. These ones are from Timo and they look perfect for this nail design today. And this is the final result for today, guys. The nails came out really cute. I'm very happy with the results. I just wanna say thank you to everyone who stayed until the end. Thank you for liking, commenting, and subscribing to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a nice day.